How's it going, everybody? This is a 95 Land Rover Discovery, 5-speed, 3.9 liter. Most recent work I've done is obviously the fan belt, water pump, new timing chain and gear. I got it timed at 6 degrees right now. I bought a stethoscope because I was hearing a ticking sound. Right now you can't really hear it. The noise isn't noticeable when it's cold. As it warms up and idles, you will start to hear it increasingly. It seems to be coming from the driver's side. You can hear it more so underneath as well. I went and bought a stethoscope, and I've kind of narrowed it down to the 5th cylinder, if not the 5th cylinder's rocker hydraulic lifter. I'm guessing it has to do with the fact that perhaps I shouldn't have used heavy-duty grease on the timing chain and gear versus Vaseline. It was just something that kind of just skipped my mind. Let's see here, what else? Like I said, you can't hear it too much right now. Let me give you a few moments. I think as I come towards the end here, you can hear it a little bit more. And I think you can hear it just a little bit better underneath. I don't believe it to be an exhaust leak. Otherwise, I don't think you'd hear it so much. Excuse me. Otherwise, I think you'd hear it at the beginning as well, versus when it warms up. You can actually hear it now. I think perhaps maybe some of the lifters got clogged up. I'm not too sure. I may take the valve covers off. I was just hoping for a quick solution. I stuck some mystery oil in there. I've also done a flush twice before. Once prior to the chain swap with the ATF, and once after when I heard the ticking sound with the seafoam. I used half a bottle. Got 6 quarts of oil in it, maybe I think 7, 6. Let's see here. Can't really think of anything else. Thinking maybe, I mean, if I stuck that back in, all that down in there, back in, I don't think that I moved the cam or anything like that. I'm just kind of curious what your guys' experiences have been, but it does increase with idle. So if you can help me out, just let me know what your suggestions are, what you think it is. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.